Alright guys, so we are going to have our spelling pretest. This week I'm doing it a little bit different because we are going to be doing contractions. And we have not actually gone over contractions, so this one is going to be a little bit more difficult. So a contraction is two words that are joined together by an apostrophe to make one word. So the way that I have it is I'm going to show you the two words that make up the word that's the spelling word. That sounds confusing, but I'll explain. So for example, the first word is won't. But won't is made up of two words, which is will not. So I won't be able to come to school today. Won't. Which is the same as saying I will not be able to come to school today. Hopefully that makes sense. We're going to just keep on going. All right, number two is hasn't. She hasn't returned my phone calls. Hasn't. Number three, can't. I can't wait until I can see you guys again. Can't. Number four is don't. Please don't be late for class. Don't. Number five is isn't. She isn't sure whether or not she is going to pick red or blue. Isn't. Number six is wasn't. I wasn't sure if I was going to like the dessert. Wasn't. Number seven is aren't. We aren't going back to school this year, but I can't wait to see you guys soon. Aren't. Number eight is he's. He's so proud of his work. He's. Number nine is she's. She's more excited for school than she is for summer break. She's. Number 10 is we've. We've been stuck in quarantine for 2 months now. We've. Number 11 is you've. You've all done a wonderful job with distance learning. You've. Number 12 is I've. I've missed you all so much. I've. Number 13 is it'll. It'll all be over soon. It'll. Number 14 is you'll. You'll have to tell me all about your weekend. You'll. And number 15 is I'm. I'm so excited for class this week. I'm. All right, so I'm going to go back through these, and I'm actually going to read what the contractions are, and then you guys can go and check your answers. If you just heard that, that was whiz. All right, so number one is won't. Will not is won't. Number two is hasn't, which is has not. Hasn't. Number three is can't, which is cannot. Can't. Number four is don't, which is do not. Don't. Number five is isn't, which is not. Isn't. Number six is wasn't, which is short for was not. Wasn't. Number seven, aren't, which is are not. Number eight is he's, which is he is. Number 9 is she's, which is she is. Number 10 is we've, which is we have. Number 11 is you've, which is you have. Number 12 is I've, which is I have. 13 is it'll, which is it will. Number 14 is you'll, which is you will. And number 15 is I'm, which is short for I am. So go ahead and check your answers on Teams, and these will be your words for the week.